Have you ever been typing a long message or email on your iPhone, only to make a mistake and have to go back and fix it? It can be frustrating, right? But did you know that there are multiple ways to quickly undo typing mistakes on your iOS device? The first option is the Shake to Undo feature. To activate this feature, go to your device's settings, select Accessibility, then Touch, and make sure that Shake to Undo is enabled. Once this is enabled, you can quickly undo any mistakes you've made while typing by simply shaking your device. The Undo Typing option will appear, and you can quickly undo your mistake and get back to typing. But if you prefer not to shake your device, there's another option you can use, the 3-finger swipe gesture. To use this option, go to your device's settings, select General, then Keyboard, and make sure that Slide to Type is enabled. Once this is enabled, you can undo typing by swiping 3 fingers left on the keyboard. And just like that, your mistake is undone. So now you know 2 quick and easy ways to undo typing mistakes on your iOS device. Give them a try, and don't forget to subscribe to Smashing Tips for more useful tips and tricks like this one.